Okay, part 3 of my mom picks from Erin's Faces. This is not just one for any season particularly. This is all year round, the Tamanu Balm. You should know that. I have multiple in my house. We use them for rashes. We use them for bug bites. I use them when just you get weird dry patches. I use that for that stuff. But my lips at night sometimes, all the things. And when I am slugging, skincare at night. So this is
what do you
another.
like for your kids?
I have 2 kids, but both of them use this.
Collectively known as she.
Use this on them too. My daughter, when she has any sort of dry, itchy thing, she's like, can you get the jar, the Erin's jar? That's what she call it. And she goes and she has already dug her fingers all in one particular one. So she has one that's just hers.
Perfect.
Okay. So if you are a mom, highly, highly recommend you getting the Tamanu Balm.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay! Ready for summer.
Summer.
With your 3 ladies.
Yes.